Ejenjawulo bakyagenda mu maaso n'okutendekebwa ku ttendekero lya poliisi e Kabalye mu disitulikiti y'e Masindi. Abasirikale 5200 be bali mu kutendekebwa ku Kabalye Police Training Institute era eno Lieutenant Colonel Nakalema awubyeyo olubu lw'ekigere okulaba emirimu bwe gitambula.
Determined, young and vigilant Ugandans who are coming to fight crime, and amongst the crime is corruption, in which His Excellency the President tasked all of us.
So when you get commissioned and you are going to do your job, whatever the time, whatever the case, be loyal to Uganda. The second one is that we should be patriotic. We must stand high to defend our country.
Kano Nakalema bw'abadde ayogerako n'abasirikale abatendekebwa abakubirizza okubeera abeerufu nga bakola emirimu gyabwe kubanga ensi ejja kuba batunuulidde.
Come ready to make a great contribution to our national development. Are we together? Yes, sir. Your colleagues have already made a difference. There are only 15 in these represented here because these are the first ones we started with when His Excellency the President tasked us.
Ono ategeezezza nti ekisinza okuvumaganya ekitongole kya poliisi ye Nguzi era bano abasabye obuweereza buno okubwesigamya ku kutuukiriza obuvunaanyizibwa so si nsimbi.
We don't want to arrest, we want you to be a force that is going to cause a good change in our country by ensuring that there is no bribery, because police as an institution, the name is not very good in the ears and maybe eyes of the public, just because of a few wrong personalities in police who are those that are corrupt.
This country belongs to you. We are the ones to make this country and we are the ones to break it. Please, when you get out of here, know you have a duty to build your country. Know you have a duty to protect and serve.
Bino webijjidde nga alipoota ezisinga okufulumizibwa ebitongole ebitali bimu ziraga nti ekitongole kya poliisi kye kimu ku bitongole bya gavumenti enguzi mwesinze okwegiriisiza.
Mu mawulire amalala Ageesigika